We're gonna be doing Mama's sock curls, okay? We're gonna put them in and we'll show you guys how this works. So first you're gonna need 4 socks. Well, we need 4 because we do 4 curls. Is there a comb? Why'd you fart?
I didn't fart.
Where'd the other one? Okay, we're ready. We're just gonna comb the hair out. And if you have a bonnet, it's better because then you can sleep in your bonnet and your hair is not gonna come out. So, Mama, can you say morning like you used to? Tomorrow in the morning, please?
Sure.
Okay. Okay. So we're gonna split it into 4. You guys can do more than 4, or you can do more or less,
6.
or you can just do 2, like 2. You did 6 ones?
Yeah.
All right, you guys, we're gonna start on the front ones. Here, scoot back a little bit. You're gonna need a sock. You're gonna need a sock, okay? And we're gonna do away from the face. So you're going to take the sock, put it here, and then you're gonna start wrapping. Here, hold this, baby, so I can show them better. You're gonna start wrapping the hair around the sock. So just like the rod, but you're gonna wrap the hair away from the face around the sock. What? You don't know what you're laughing at. And then what you're going to do, you're gonna take this, and then I'm just gonna like wrap the little turdling up like that. Then we're gonna take this part of the sock, and we're going to secure it. We're gonna put it inside out into. Do you guys see that? Look at that.
That's what she said.
I was gonna say that. How'd you know? Bubba, that's what she said. I don't know.
This.
Okay, we're gonna do the other side. I'll show you guys the other side real quick. Let me pull my pants. Let me pull my pants up so you guys see. Ever since Mama started sleeping in a bonnet, her hair is so much more manageable. It's not like so impossible to brush and tangly. Okay, and kind of getting. Ah, what was that?
I don't know.
Where did that brush come from? Here, hold this, baby. Okay. I'm just gonna wrap it around the sleek. This is literally so easy. So easy. We need to trim your hair a little bit.
I was gonna ask you to do that.
Yeah, we just need to trim off the dead ends, okay? Then we're gonna take it.
I'm dead.
And then again, we're gonna flip this inside out. Like so. We found these curls literally work the best. I wonder if we can find something that's not a swak.
It's so
Like
a rod. What just happened? What's going on?
Okay, you guys, Mama or Brisa had an incident, but she's fine. She always has an incident. Okay. Yeah, Brisa's fine, you guys. She was just, you know, she had a little.
I look like that one mom.
What mom?
I don't know.
It's cold.
You don't know. Okay, you guys.
Kehlani don't want it.
All right, we'll see you guys in the morning to see these precious curls.